I decided to play Rob Mr. Rich's house. I think that is more. Hey Max. Hey Max, let's go and rob Mr. McRich. You cannot. Okay. Where are we supposed to go? Okay. I know. I think I played this game like when I was 8 and now I'm 10. I think I know how to play this game. We're supposed to go to the front door. Oh, I think you know that. Where are we supposed to go? How? And where are we supposed to go? Where and how are we gonna? What the hell? Where are we supposed? What the hell? Ha! What the hell? How? How? I'm just following this person. Oh. 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 Okay. Why did I open the gate? He will hear that. Oh. Okay. Oh, we will climb this. Okay. 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 We're in. Now let's climb the gate. How are we gonna supposed to do that? How are we supposed to do that? Huh? Oh, I think I know how. Oh, wait. Oh, what's happening? All of that for a key? Hmm. I just died in molten lava. What? We're, we're back in the beginning? That's not checkpoints. Oh, come on. Please, please just give me a checkpoint at this point. Did I ever go through this? No? No. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. If I die one more time, I will end this video. I'm not kidding. Where are we? Where the actual are we? Where are we? Oh, okay. Oh my god. No, let me. Okay, we need to get a checkpoint every time we will. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Whee! Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh, no, oh my god. Okay, guys, that's all for now. See you. If you wanna make, if I will make a part 2 on this game where we will continue this game. Okay, see